Hello guys and welcome to Techland. So I'll be showing you guys how to quickly import a config file into your Arduino Plus application. Please, it is your first time of coming to the channel, please leave a like button and subscribe and turn on the notification bell in case I drop any update. Now to do this, you have to first go to your Arduino Plus application and wait for it to load. Okay, then you have to activate custom setup over here, custom setup. Click on custom setup and just go to your import and export. Click on it and click on import config. Now once you're done, just search for the config file you want to import. Search for the config file, and then okay, this is the one I'm going to be writing right now, and then just infuse the password. Add the password. Now the next thing you're going to do is to click on OK after inputting the password, and then as you can see, import successfully. Now this just click on start to activate it. Now this is the way to import a config file on Arduino Plus application. Please, if you want to get any file on Arduino, free browsing tips, and message me on WhatsApp, or I will drop the WhatsApp group link in the description below. Please join and ask for the file. I'm going to send it to you as soon as possible.